basically trying to disrupt an industry that has already existed. It's a $26 billion annual revenue industry dominated by Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. Between them, they have over 80% of that market. And the issue with the industry, or the challenge that we're solving, is that there's been very little innovation in the past 20, 25 years by those market information providers. And not only has there been very little innovation, the prices of those products has become ridiculous. They're now $25,000 a year. Money.net, one of our foot in the door kind of disruptions, is that we are under $2,000 a year, all in. So that's kind of, we're solving two pain points. One is the lack of innovation, and the second one is we're a 15th of the cost of Bloomberg or Thomson Reuters with a better product. And we've just won the FIA Expo Innovator of the Year here in Chicago. We've got customers not just here in the US, we have customers in 57 countries now. All of Europe, Asia, Latin America. We're multi-asset class, so that means we're equities, fixed income, FX, and commodities. And we also have breaking news, Squawk. We're basically all of the information that you would use to do your job if you're working on a trading floor at a bank or a hedge fund, or you're an analyst in one of those roles, or a salesperson at a bank, or investment banking, or if you're in corporate America as a treasurer, you need market information. You don't want to buy a clunky old Bloomberg, it costs $25,000 a year. You want a better, newer product. You just use Money.net. It's a very simple product and very intuitive to use. We've not finished yet. We're only a 2.5-year-old company. We've got a lot, more innovation, a huge amount more to do. We don't want to be a cheap Bloomberg or a cheap Thomson Reuters. We want to be a better system that happens to be a 15th of the cost.